You're walking through a mall, a school hallway, a laundromat, you see a vending machine. You grab a snack and keep moving, but you never wonder, who owns that machine? Who's making money while doing nothing? Here's the secret. That could be you. Vending machines are one of the most underrated income streams in 2025. They're low maintenance, easy to start, and they can be scaled quietly. Let me break down exactly how you can get started, even if you're broke. Step 1. Start small. Start smart. You don't need to buy 20 machines. Start with just one. That one machine could earn you $300 to $800 a month, depending on traffic. Place 3 to 5 machines in good locations. That's mortgage-level passive income. Step 2. Find your niche. There are 3 main types of vending. Snack and drink machines, most common. Healthy vending, growing trend. Specialty machines, tech, toys, even eyelashes. Start with snacks or drinks. Low risk, easy to manage. Step 3. Location. Everything. This will make or break your income. Great locations, schools with permission, offices, gyms, barbershops, laundromats, apartment complexes, truck stops and warehouses, hair salons, hospitals and clinics. Here's the play. Walk in and offer a revenue share to the business owner. You get 10% of the profits and free snacks for your team. They say yes? That machine is now your employee. Step 4. Get the right machine. You can find machines used on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, refurbished on vending websites, brand new with card readers and inventory tracking apps. Used machines, $800, $200, add a card reader, or more sales. Use apps to track sales without showing up every day. Step 5. Stocking and servicing, buy snacks in bulk at Costco, Sam's Club, local wholesalers, Amazon Business. Keep track of what's selling, what's sitting, what's spoiling. Reinvest the profits into your next machine. Step 6. Scaling like a boss. Once your first machine is doing well, get more machines, negotiate better locations, build routes and outsource restocking. Offer healthy vending options to schools and gyms. Use digital tracking tools to scale without burnout. Eventually, you're running a vending empire without clocking in. Vending isn't sexy, but it's silent, it's scalable, and it's real money that doesn't care about the algorithm. You don't need a fancy business plan. You need your first machine, then your second, then systems. That's how freedom starts. Learn, hustle, grow.